What's up again? What's up again, Speak My Mind family? What's up? I'm here again with another video. Yeah, man, holiday come and done, you know. Back to work again. I'll go spend out the little money for the Easter. Go and go work it back again. Because someone get fooled by a holiday. But here we are going, you know. That video, some people get fooled by the holiday and go spend out their money. But that video, you have some people who get fooled because them love stardom. Them want to mix against stars. So Speak My Mind people, just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know. Please remember to press that thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember to watch the ads. And please remember to go over to the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, where you can get your cook vlog, your commentary, you know, your reasoning based on anything, whether in general, domestic or gender. And you don't know, it's a channel for the adventure also coming soon. Anyway, my people, on a big friend Marcia, MC Marcia Campbell, MC Kakai, MC Big Deal. She no go at the airport and get tricked because of stardom. And me telling you, you know, them they sitting they come natural. You know, run down them sitting the friendship and stardom and fame, you know, run it down. You make it come natural. You know within all yourself say you're a social media personality, and when you go road, you just be your normal self. You know, try to expose yourself to the public. Make when the public see you and know you and come to you and approach you, then you do what you have to do. My people. Marcia, she you know in an airport, my people. See man with big backpack on him back, Mark O'Shane Thomas, cricketer, the cricketer, O'Shane Thomas, West Indies cricketer. And she, because of stardom, I want to say, she take picture with cricketer and celebrity. She not take picture, and when you take a stock, the man just carry the bag out of the wrong person. So, me I go play some parts of video and dissect it, make you hear. So, uno listen, Marcia Campbell has been fooled because of stardom what she want. Celebrity, a celebrity. When you're a celebrity, people see and recognize you. Other celebrity also see you and recognize you when you're a celebrity. You know, just run into celebrity status, so man. That's why.
So me ask the question then. Who is the man when me take the picture with on social media? Go back and go look for him and come back and tell me we miss. Go on now.
You should have known that.
No come there and tell me say that's not him. Go and come up and because me Marcia idiot. The man can walk around with another man back on his backpack.
Of course.
I carry.
Yes, it's possible.
I mean, go and go tell me what the cricketer them there. Because me and the cricketer, I don't know. I see him and I see him have a back on his backpack and I see West Indies cricketer, I see West Indies on his back.
Along the video, I will tell you why it's possible that him can carry a next man bag on him back.
He was standing there talking. I went to him and I said, are you a cricketer? Mrs. See him, he said, yes. I said, can I take a picture? He said, of course. So you tell me no.
He's a big celebrity. You see the man about him business. But you want a picture to come post up, say you take picture with celebrity, big cricketer, established cricketer. You run in. You don't know the man personally, because he's not a lover of cricket as well you say. But you run in. And you get fooled. Accept say you get fooled.
Who is the man picture on social media that I've taken? For the people, for the one person come and tell me say 3 people like it and say whatever. Where the cricketer them there? Who is that gentleman who I take pictures with? Who I take the picture with? Who is the gentleman? Come, oh not take too long. What is the name of the man that I take the picture with on my page?
You say O'Shane Thomas, but that's not O'Shane Thomas. So you continue to ask. You make the bag fool you with the name on it. That's where you make reach you. The bag fool you with the name on it, Marcia.
I went to him and I said, are you a cricketer? Mrs. He said, yes. I said, can I take a picture? He said, of course. So you tell me now.
Are you a cricketer? Because you see the backpack and then you say, oh yes, yes, you saw him. How can you see somebody where you cannot identify, Marcia? You cannot see somebody and say, oh yes, it's him. And you, in the same video, say you don't know the man. So how you can identify him? By him telling you, say yes. And at the same time, this gentleman, based upon what you said, did not tell you the same name, Ocean Thomas. You ask the man if he's a cricketer, and he tell you yes. He can be a domestic cricketer. He can be a school cricketer. And as I say, he can be a domestic cricketer where he play for just some little, like how you have communities and stuff like that. Or him play for a area, like him say him live in America, him play for Bronx, or him play for Brooklyn, or him play for Waka. You have those community competitions. Him is just a domestic cricketer, so him not tell you nothing wrong. Him never go ahead and tell you say yes, he's Ocean Thomas, despite you already said it. So him never really tell you same name Ocean Thomas. You are the one that believe that he's Ocean Thomas because of the backpack and the name.
You tell me now. Who is the man picture on social media that are taken? For the people, for the one person come and tell me say 3 people like it and say whatever. Okay. It could be a souvenir. Oh, them have bag in a souvenir? Me never know. Them sell a bag for souvenir? How will I say? Eh? Me never know. Eh? You know. Me never know. Why? They sell a bag there? Me not think so. They sell it there? You don't know him? That lie to me?
Marcia, you sample. But that's how when you run down stardom, I saw it go. You want to mix against stars.
Oh? well, maybe.
But guess what me know? Those bags, sometimes they might sell them limited edition of a certain player. Because you don't know player have them favorite fans and stuff. But more likely, that bag was given to... What happened, that gentleman might be a cricketer. Because as a cricketer, especially not an established cricketer or a young cricketer or a footballer, whichever sports you play, you always have people who you idolize. You understand? And you always want Ganzi for that brother there, you know. Boy, more. So anything you get for that person, you're going to take it. Just like when you watch football and you see them exchange gears and stuff like that. You that walk in the street and you see a man of a Ganzi mark Ronaldo, a man of a Ganzi mark Walter Boy, Ian Pepe Goodison. You understand? Lionel Messi. That don't mean him a Lionel Messi. And the gears him have can be the authentic gears for the country. You understand? But what? Him idolize the player, so him always want a gears or something for that player. So he might have associate with somebody, and a person that have an association with the player, and them get it and them give it to him. You understand? There's a lot of youth who live, which part me live, where Sheldon Cottrell, and that's where him grew up as a little youth. Him dey on the corner every day when him there Jamaica, where once him dey on tour and whatsoever. And you see a lot of youth go around in them gears. You might see them having bag just the same way. That don't mean them a Sheldon Cottrell. So that's how you have to know. When you say a celebrity on a big deal and certain things you have to know because you just love jump the gun, that's why things happen. The man might idolize Thomas or be a friend of Thomas or a friend of somebody who is a friend of Thomas, and him is a cricketer, him get the bag, so him sport the bag. You see the man with him bag now and see you Ocean Thomas. And all because you see the West Indies logo and the West Indies cricket something, you see you say him and that and you approach him. You understand?
Sorry. baby, I saw it. Eh? Baby, I saw because...
She said she Google it when she hears say I know him. And the one that she Google, no look nothing like at him. But yet still earlier on she was saying, probably one younger picture where them never upgrade the picture yet on the system. So probably at him, but when him young. But now you go laugh and talk when you hear say, I know him. And I go say, it never look nothing like at him. So why at first you say probably I told them to upgrade the picture.
I see with the bag, I see you the bag, a big bag, money, and whatever. Yes, but then them sell them the bag, they are souvenir. Eh? When they must say, then the man know. So he must never know set up on social media when he says, you're sure? The man, I wonder if him don't look not like the man for the YouTube channel, but at that me see for the bag. At that me see for the bag, me say me a cricketer. So him say yeah, me say can't take a picture of course. So that means say.
You go say if the man no know say he want to go on social media because everybody take picture of celebrity put on social media. The man still never tell you he was O'Shane Thomas. That's the main fact. He never tell you that. You see me the backpack, my O'Shane Thomas. You ask the man if I'm a cricketer, him say yes, you want a picture? The man say okay. The man not no problem with it. So him give you a picture. You go post it with intention say O'Shane Thomas and you'll get a lot of likes because Marcia beat big cricketers O'Shane Thomas. Lick her for 6. Bang! But the picture lick you for 6. So where you want to take down the picture for? You only gonna look like a fool now. Make the picture stay. You already took the picture and put it up. But you're still further down in this, you're gonna say you're a run down celebrity. You understand? Yeah. But you run up that in that celebrity they do and get knocked for 6. Bang! Lick her O'Shane fake Thomas.
Have the nerve for make me take picture. So him should I know so I can put him out on social media. If me think say him a celebrity, him a cricketer. Now kiss me rock stone basket. Eh?
You ask a picture the man,
So
know what you're going to do with it. You ask the picture the man, give the picture to you, he don't know what you're going to do with it.
Tell me?
The man don't even know if you think say him a O'Shane Thomas.
Then couldn't tell me. And then I walk around with bag palm back so like him a cricketer.
No feel
and
bag.
dress like a cricketer too.
No feel bag.
Eh?
That's why I can feel bag.
So can you imagine him a laugh for me, you know? So the me take him for your
Fast, you're fast. Now the man bag. Whichever way
for your ball
man get it
player.
a feel bag.
Eh? Can you imagine? Then him a walk around sitting on back so. Then I put it that car hole in the plane. The way the bag big and long. You show the man in a cricketer?
So if he can't hold in the plane, or it hold on him back?
Him definitely look nothing like him. Me not ask you. Him definitely don't look nothing like him on the picture.
But at first, you claim to say, probably I want a young picture. But now you realize that more people are come forward and tell you say it's not O'Shane Thomas. You are going to say it now, look nothing like him on the picture. It definitely look like. This is one of the coming up phone come contradict yourself all the while because when you not find yourself behind the 8 ball, yeah, when you try to twist one and set before the 8 ball come at you. You understand? And now you get licked for 6. Bang! O'Shane fake Thomas lick you for 6. Yeah, twist your mouth now.
So you got to tell me, say, I have the nerve. I have the nerve for you make me take picture.
The man got swing
so
people Julie around there.
Social media.
But man not eat Julie.
If me think say him a celebrity, him a cricketer. Now kiss me rock stone basket. Eh? So you not gonna tell me?
Then I tell the people them tell you. I tell the people them couldn't tell you before you publish it. You understand? Then couldn't tell you before you publish it.
Eh? You not gonna tell me? Me call First, me take him back way. I'm saying go give somebody.
Your baby
One
father.
friend of mine, I'm
Then
saying.
at the end of the video,
You
you
know
saw
me
your
see
baby
cricketer,
father.
one
So
West
you
Indies
can't hide nothing.
cricketer
You
in here.
can't hold nothing.
And him say, go ask him for your picture. So I be complain me somebody. Because I say me Ocean Thomas. I say Ocean Thompson. Am a cricketer? And the person say yes. Me say there is a Ocean Thompson here. And him a cricketer. Is he famous? And the person say yes. He play for the West Indies. But when me go to him, I never ask him say for him name so. Me just ask him if he play cricket. And him say yes. And I say, can I take a picture? And him say yes. So he never tell.
Right. You ask someone if he play cricket, him tell you yes. As me say, it can just be domestic cricket, it can be curry goat cricket, it can be corner cricket. Cricket can be a love of him game, a game where him love. Him play cricket, him never tell us him play cricket professional, him never tell us him a Ocean Thompson. The man where you say you call, which is your baby father, because you identify it down at the last part of the video. When you call him and tell him, him tell you say yes, it's a Ocean Thomas. Him know the Ocean Thomas, him famous, because he's a cricketer. But him don't know if him you talk to you. Tell him say you see a man with a backpack. A man there named Ocean Thomas because you see the backpack. So your baby father not tell you nothing wrong. So when you go talk about him, you have to blame. You can't blame him.
Me, him never tell me say I saw him name. You understand? He never tell me say him name so. You understand? So me don't want to go say when I see him now. I want to go say, why you tell me?
So because you find out say the man is a celebrity now, you got to delete the picture. It not look good.
I will go and delete it. Let me go remove that picture off of my page. You know that guy is something else. You see, if you don't come on Facebook, I want to see that picture here. I want to know who he is. Tell him say you shouldn't do that. Because the reason why I took a picture with him is because I saw him with the bag on his shoulder. You understand? And I thought it was a real cricketer. Now me know someone a cricketer, I'm take it off. You understand? So that is it. But him shouldn't do that. Well,
You gotta look foolish, Marcia. You don't need to remove the picture. You already take the picture because you did think of Ocean Thomas, but a Ocean fake Thomas lick you for 6. Now take down the picture, make the picture stay. It not take nothing off for you, it not cost you. So you gotta remove it for. That for sure it says a celebrity alone on a rate and want take picture with.
him shouldn't do it. If him knows him wasn't a cricketer,
The man not doing nothing.
him shouldn't have okay, no.
The man is a cricketer. He's just a domestic cricketer. He's not an established cricketer. So you still talk about the man shouldn't do. Are you run to the man will run come to you and tell you, say, oh, Marcia ever bless, I know you. I see you on Facebook. Yes, I'm a cricketer. I'm Ocean Thomas from the West Indies. He never tell you that. You've been misinformed by the bag where the man have.
Problem and take a picture with me and smile like that. Because he knows that this must go up on social media. I mean, him know everybody will take picture with celebrities and whatever. You know them all come and post it on social media. Him shouldn't do it. Him shouldn't do it. So him should not do it. If him know that him wasn't a cricketer, he shouldn't do it. Because me I look at him and him tall and him look.
The man not do you nothing, Marcia. Nothing. Listen how they can't hold nothing, people. Earlier on, she tried to hide the identity of the person that she call, you know. But listen, her go spill her gut now who she call her baby father.
Him back way, I go show the picture, I take back way. You understand? And I said, I go up to him. I said, call baby father. I say, you know this baseball player in the Ocean Thompson.
Can't hold
and
gut,
Thomas
man.
and baby father. I say, yes, he played for the West Indies. So he played for the West Indies. So he said, go ask him for a picture. He said, I don't know over there with one girl and whatever it is. So when my car come, I go up to him and I say, hi, are you a cricketer? He say, yes. He said, can I take a picture? He said, sure, yes.
Celebrity,
and
I want to take picture with, man.
Finger. Him must know set up on social media.
Because you're a celebrity and big deal, so you want a picture with superstar, you want to say stars among stars.
So me I go post the picture now. For sure no, how him fool me. Because that's the picture I take first and it's going to be father. So I'm going to delete the picture, but I'm going to show you the proof. Hold on there.
No need to delete the picture.
Send them back to people?
See we fool out them people.
No, me never hear, me not cricket player. But do they sell these bags to people? You can go and travel with a big bag like this and you're not a cricketer?
Of
I'm
course.
just saying. I mean, wouldn't this be fooling people? No, for real though. Wouldn't
Boy, I'm
this be
in the
fooling
yard, my people. The sun glare, I can't see. Alright, see there? You see the man with them bag of fast, man, say
No, for
fast.
real. If you see
I want to
somebody
mix
like
with
this
stars
and
and
he have the West
celebrity
Indies
and
play,
get licked for
and
6.
he have
6
cricket West
runs,
Indies
O'Shane
up, right?
Thomas.
That's how a little white
Oh,
spot
bold
here
him.
of
He's
O'Shane
bold.
Thompson, right? That's all. So you tell me, say, this will not fool you. This say my West Indies, him a play ball. Eh?
Fast, you're fast, man. What if fool you? You're just fast.
But him have a name on it, O'Shane. Him have a name on it, O'Shane Thompson. That's what me say.
You keep on and say him have the name O'Shane Thompson. That don't make him being O'Shane Thompson. Him can be a cricketer, a domestic cricketer, as me say, a young cricketer. And O'Shane, I'm friend, I'm have associated deal with O'Shane, and him get the bag as a souvenir. And him use it to carry him stuff in it. Because they have the privilege to get those, but those gears are expensive. You understand? Those gears are expensive, you know. So when a West Indies player can give you pads, a bat, or a 2 ball, or a spikes because him know the West Indies will give him it back, or him have sponsorship will give him back them thing there. It's good for you as a young cricketer, you don't have to go buy it because it's expensive. You understand?
So go ask if you take picture, I wouldn't ask him because I'm not frightened for celebrity. You understand? So I tell you how it started off. I'm in a run down celebrity, because I see celebrity all the time, I'm in a fat band them. And I see him turn up like this and I see it. I think he play cricket but not a West Indies player.
Simple.
And
Yes, somebody I tell you.
Pan it, right? See him here.
Him
So
play
you have to
cricket,
tell me now,
but him
say,
never tell you same
I
West
play
Indies
cricket
player.
and I have a...
And for you, I gotta say you're a rundown celebrity. Automatically, I run down a celebrity, yes, so. Because you see the man at the airport, the man back turn, the man have on him back on him back. Basically, it have on the maroon color, which is the West Indies color. It have on the West Indies logo. You see the name O'Shane Thomas, you gravitate to the whole thing and tell yourself, say, O'Shane Thomas that. So you go so boom and you take him and picture before you even call your baby father, you know, back way, you know. Then you call your baby father, you know this cricketer named O'Shane Thomas? And him say, yes man, and you ask if him famous. You ask your baby father if the man famous, you know. And the man tell you, say, yes man. Go ahead and take a picture with him, man. And you go ahead and take a picture with him. Where you gonna ask so much details if you're in a rundown celebrity? And your baby father never did have to tell you to take a picture with him. You would have gone to take a picture with him. So don't come now to you get licked for 6 on O'Shane Thomas. I must say bowl him bowl still O'Shane Thomas or him bowl your 4ducks. Give you a Google. Him give you a Google and bowl your 4ducks. You come talk about you see celebrity all the while and you don't run down celebrity and ray. You understand? But it's all about you want to mix with stars. You want to mix with celebrity. You want to say, okay, stars among stars. And you come and you post up and you say, yes, rotted. Marcia meet O'Shane Thomas, rotted. Marcia meet Michael Jackson, rotted. Marcia, what's Marcia in a picture with Beyonce and Nicki Minaj? Because you want it seems that you're a big deal. You're this big person. Mixing stars among stars. That's exactly what was your intention, Marcia. So don't come saying a rundown celebrity. And this goes out for sure. This just goes to show, say, it's just all about competition. You don't just want to compete with other people. Competition, you don't want to compete with other people. Because normally, AD that go to people I run into her to come take picture and one picture. Celebrity I run into her one picture. Not saying she won't see a celebrity where she is a fans of her, you know, and want a picture also. But you always be the one where I beg and you step up to the man. And you fooled by the man bag when him get from a friend or O'Shane himself. All because you want hype. You want to say you're a star, you're a big deal. See it, who you mingle with, who you take picture with. Be yourself, Marcia, man. If you're a big deal, it's supposed to show when you go on the road. I see you come off on like a small vacation and I not see nobody around you down. I not see nobody around come take no picture. You're there on one boat, one like a fishing vessel. We are carry you out in the water. You're going like you're there on one big yacht. One like a fishing, when you look behind you for the engine, there are about 6 fishing line out in the water, fish off and fish at the same time. You understand? You're going like you're there on one big yacht. You tell the camera girl, remember you don't done with me yet, you know. Competition, compete, you want compete. And we all know who you want to compete with. You understand? 99. Because if when 99 go road, a flock, people flock her, we not see nobody a flock you. When you go road, you don't even want to show your surrounding where you're in. Because sometimes you make it look like you're there some expensive place and some like a cheap place. All you have your camera, see your camera, the point you are show you. Show with the surrounding, show with who you mix and mingle with. Like when 99 what I do. If you want to compete, that you have to do. If you want competition, you have to show with the wider surrounded. Don't just barely turn the camera so, turn it so, and have it point yourself for the whole time. You understand? Speak my mind, people. As I said, see it here? Julie tree, me there behind me. See it here? See, watch that. Jesus, peas. Right here, my people. Big man don't eat Jolie. We don't eat Blackie. You understand? Because Blackie is the name of a woman and Jolie is the name of a woman. So big man don't eat Jolie. Big man don't eat Blackie. But a Jolie is my people. See East Indian they make a show now. Start ripe up 1-1 already. Yeah. Chin. Well, you grudge me for my mango tree, but me I show me like a 1-1 and 2-2 mango. Go Chin. I who against? About 200 grudge me for my mango tree. Jolie. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know? Press that thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel. Showing you some more tree, you know? Because Jamaica where they you know we're fruity. Well the sweet sap tree I suffer from drought, my people. Yeah, sweet sap tree I suffer from drought. Sweet sap tree I suffer from drought. I say I can shake down one. I shake down one sweet something. Star fruit. It's done here now, you know, my people. Alright. See it, my people. Star fruits, them sweet, yeah. And this a tree I make me name this a something, yeah. Because, trust me, I never have it say them sweet. I always say them sitting here sour. Sweet, yeah. Sour sap tree up the line. East in town, it's a Julie again. So, there my people. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Because the holiday done. I let me say me take a little 2-day break. So I'm back. So, speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. I'm out.